Empties video. So if you don't know what Empties video, I have a little bit of a collection.
It's Sasha from Sasha Being Baby, and today on Sasha Being Baby I'm doing something totally different that I don't normally do. I am not only doing a makeup look, yes, you heard it here first folks, a makeup look. I know. I'm also collabing with Marissa, and she is a friend that I met on a YouTube support page, and she is going to give you 3 different makeup looks. So if you want to see her video, please check it down below. I'll link it. Thank you so much, Marissa, for collabing with me. I had so much fun like talking to you and getting to know you and filming this video. So yeah, so guys, be sure to show her some love, and if you want to see how I completed this look, yes, this look and this unbelievable hair, be sure to stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So start with basically cleansing my face, and I use the same thing every time. I always clean my face with the oil-free Acne Pink Grapefruit. It's originally by Neutrogena, but I get it from Dollar General because it's way cheaper, has the same exact ingredients in it. It's just my favorite. I honestly just like it for the smell. I've never really had like acne problems or anything like that, or skin problems, so I've never, you know, I just use like whatever face wash I like. So, but I also use the moisturizer that goes to it, and then I'm going to take my Argan Oil. I don't know why it was so hard to say that. I'm gonna open it, take a little bit of that, and just kind of drop it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that out there that I know my eyebrows are looking rank AF. I know that. Like, that is not something that I need you to tell me. But I hate doing them myself. I really do. I cannot do my eyebrows myself. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use primer, Shine Free Primer by Hard Candy. I'm just gonna put that over the oil because I really like to protect my face. Like I said, I don't really have, never really had, you know, skin problems. And I'll be damned if I get them as an adult. First things first, my friends. I am going to do my eyebrows first. That's what I always do first. I am going to use the what is it? The Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color. What color is this one in? Dark brown. I'm pretty sure it's the darkest because your girl got dark eyebrows. I got dark hair like everywhere. So I'm just gonna brush them out. Brush them beauts out. These beautiful baby. This is the only product I also use on my eyebrows because you know, I don't really do too terribly much to my eyebrows. I mean, they're really thick already. Like, I got lucky AF. So really I just kind of like fill in the front, honestly. So I just got a new concealer yesterday. I was actually looking for my concealer, but I couldn't find it. So I'm actually just gonna kind of conceal my eyes with the primer, and then also go ahead and conceal my eyebrows. Whoa, it's orange AF. I'm about to blend this in, we're gonna see how I like it. But it's the Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles Treatment Concealer by Maybelline New York. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Look, I'm not gonna tell you what brushes I'm using because unless it says it on here, honestly, I don't know. For the most part, it's blended. Before I do my face makeup, I like to do my eye makeup. So I don't really have like a eye palette that I thought like is like super Valentine's Day-y. I didn't have anything with a lot of pink, so I went ahead and I'm just going to use the Too Faced chocolate bar. You know, I don't know what colors I'm gonna use. Like we're literally, hold on, I've dropped something. We are literally about to find out. So I think, okay, yeah, so I'm gonna go with something a little bit, oh, by the way, I'm using a lot of new products in this video. So we just going in at this together. I just want one. Cool. Okay, so I think I'm gonna like do like a brownish maroonish look. I don't know. I'm no beauty guru. Like who am I? Like brownish maroonish look? No. I'm actually gonna go ahead and go in with the hazelnut, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. Like diamonds in the sky. Oh. So I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called Cherry Cordial. I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna go in with a lot of that actually. I really want to try and do like a really nice makeup look. So I'm actually gonna brush it. You can't see it. Oh my god, it tastes like chocolate too. That's weird. Smells like chocolate. I love that. Just the outer corner and kind of build that in, I guess, like to the upper crease, all the way to your inner corner. A lot of that, because I really want a pink light. Go ahead and build that high. Like this is probably the boldest I've ever gone. Pink. I'm gonna go in with Amaretto. Basically just gonna focus that like on my outer corner. I'm gonna go in with Cherry Cordial for real this time. And I'm just gonna focus that on my outer corner, and that's literally it. I'm gonna go in, I think I'm gonna go in with Champagne Truffle on there, you know, so you can really see. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and highlight also with that Champagne Truffle on, under. Okay, now that we got our eyes basically done, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna do my face. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation. It's a mattifying foundation, and it's number 67. Oh, I forgot. Yay. Okay, so I got way too excited. I got it from Sally's. It's a silicone sponge. It doesn't have a brand, but basically it's supposed to absorb no product, which I know these aren't new, but I just really wanted to try it out. So let me just start dabbing my face real fast, you know. Go ahead and get your dab on. I don't think okay. I don't like this. Oh no. Oh. You know what? It is doing its job. I just feel like it's giving me like too much product, if that makes sense. Yeah, like way too much product, because yeah, none of it is soaking into this beauty blender like at all. Like look at how clean that is still, but I just wasn't expecting it to work this good. So I am actually still gonna go in with my brush and kind of blend that out a little bit better. It's foundation, but I use it as bronzer. It's Fit Me by Maybelline, and it is in the color Coconut. I like creams. I like cream facial stuff. Oh, Sash, that's not blended, girl. Okay, hold on. Let me veto this for a second. Okay, that's a little bit better. It's a bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna bronze myself. Just kind of like try and keep like a straight face so that I can. And then I'm gonna take a beauty blender that is dirty AF. And I'm gonna just blend that up in there. Also, with this like 2-in-1, I don't know, it's by NARS and Orgasm. Yeah, it's the blush, and Laguna is the bronzer. And I do use a little bit of the bronzer just to kind of soften that harsh cream, and it, you know, sets it a little bit more too. And then I'm also going to use Orgasm. I saw this yesterday when I was getting that concealer, when I was looking for a specific concealer and couldn't find it, so I settled for that one. But I found this, and it's by Maybelline. It's strobing light, like an illuminating highlighter, and it's light / iridescent, and so I wanted to see it. Right above that. So right above my cheekbone, right up in here. Let's put that at the tip of my nose, like boop, boop, boop. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it really does though. Right here, a little bit under, right, like on my chin, and then a boop, boop, boop. And I just blend all this in with my finger. So now actually I'm gonna finish my eyes. I'm gonna just put some underneath. I'm gonna build underneath up just like I did the top. So I'm gonna start off with the salted caramel, strawberry bonbon, a little bit of amaretto, a little bit of the cherry cordial. And then we're gonna go in with champagne truffle and do it like in the front half, lower line. If that makes sense. And then in the inner corner. It's by Maybelline. It's just one of their, I mean, everyone's seen this too. I'm gonna go with the nude because I think it's gonna look really nice with this eye look. So. Ladies and gentlemen, what did you think? So yeah, I was trying to be very serious and actually do like my first real makeup tutorial because I like beauty. I mean, I'm no beauty guru. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you want to see more videos like this, put it in the comments down below. And if you have any video ideas that you want me to do, put them in the comments down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to subscribe, do that. You can go ahead and turn on that post bell notifications. Yeah, you get notified every time I post a video. I know that I said I was going to do outfit ideas and everything else, but I changed my mind. So this is a nice soft Valentine's makeup look. If you're going on a date, let me know what you're doing this Valentine's Day. I'm actually going on a date. Whoa, your girl got a date. Milfy, quite milfy if you ask me. I hope you have a through Thursday, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye!